Hello, good morning everyone. This is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with very interesting chapter, that is chapter 11, and it is related to work and energy. Yes, dear student, in our daily life we do the different type of activities. Some activities are taken place inside our body and some activities we do physically, like pulling, playing, reading, singing, eating, writing, riding, pushing. All these activities we do in our daily life. And what we say them in our general language, we say them work. That what are you doing? I am doing work. But according to physics, in these activities, only some activities can be known as work according to physics. Because what is work according to the physics? The force with displacement of an object is known as work. Means it is the activity, in which force is applied, and due to applying the force there is displacement takes place in the object, then that activity is known as work. Like if I displace myself from here to here, then I displaced myself with the help of muscular force, and in this I covered a particular distance. That's why it is known as work. So this walking is known as work, because in this there is involvement of the force. Which force is involved here? Here the muscular force is involved, and with the muscular there is frictional force is involved. With this there is also displacement. That's why we can say it is work. Like this, if I have this pen in my hand, then it is not work. If I displace its position, then it is known as work. Like this is the book. This is the book, and if I displace this book from here to here, I apply the force on this, and this change I do. So from here to here I displace the book, and what I change the position of the book. And with the help of which force I change the position with the help of my muscular force, and I push it, and due to pushing I change the position of the book. That's why it is known as work. But if I carry it in my hand like this, then it is not work. So the activity in which force is involved and displacement is involved, that particular activity is known as work according to the science. Like the porter carry the pots, they carry the different luggage, and many times they carry the luggage on their head. So when they carry the luggage on their forehead, that is known as work. But if they put that luggage on their head, that condition is known as work. So what should be involved in the work? It is force and displacement. That's why we can say the formula of the work is equal to force into displacement. As you know that the force has the sense of direction, that's why we can say that the work is vector quantity, and the SI unit of the work is Newton meter. Like what is the SI unit of force? It is Newton. And what is the SI unit of displacement? It is meter. So the SI unit of the work is Newton meter, and it is denoted by, or it is known as joule. Joule. To give the fame, the great scientist James Prescott Joule, this unit is also known as joule, and it is denoted by J. So what is the SI unit of the work? That is Newton meter and joule or joule. Now we come on the type of the work, student. There are three types of work. There are three types of work: positive work, negative work, and zero work. Like, what is the positive work? If the displacement is in the direction of the force, then we can say that is positive work. Means the work that will be taken place will be positive. If the displacement is opposite to the force, then we can say that is the negative work. If we apply the force but there is no displacement of the object, then that condition is known as zero work. So the work has three magnitude: positive, negative, and zero. Positive, negative, and zero. So these are the type of the work, and many times we apply the force in a particular angle, and if we apply the force in the particular angle, then that angle is taken with the help of cos theta, and the formula of that work is equal to F into S into cos theta, and this theta is written as the angle from which the force is applied on the particular object. So these are the formulas of the work. Here W is denoting the work, F is denoting the force, S is denoting the displacement. Like, with the help of this diagram we can also show, like this is a block, and if we apply the force on this block, this is the force. Now we displace it here by applying the force. We displace it here, so it is displacement. So this is the displacement, and that's why which work will be taken place here, student? You tell me, which work will be taken place in this case? Yes, tell me. Because the displacement is in the direction of the force, that's why the work will be positive, negative, or zero. Yes, tell me. It will be positive, student, because the displacement is in the direction of the force. So the formula that we will use here, F into S. Now, if the force is 7 Newton and displacement is 5 meter, then what will be the work here, student? Yes, now this is the numerical for you. Now you find the work here. So with the help of this formula you can get it. What is force here? It is 7. What is displacement here? It is 5. And what is it? It is 35. And what is the SI unit? As I have taught you, it is joule. So 35 joule. And which type of work will be it? It will be positive work. So like this, you get the answer of the numericals. And it is one example, and we have discussed the type of work. Now you will read this topic in your book and try to do all the questions related to this topic. Thank you very much and have a nice day.